Hello everyone and welcome to ERA tutorial. In this lecture today I am going to teach you parts of speech, English grammar part, which is very important for learning proper English. Okay, so one by one in part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all parts of speech I am going to teach you. Okay, so today we will start part 1, that is parts of speech. Parts of speech. We can categorize English words into 9 basic types called parts of speech or word classes. It's quite important to recognize parts of speech because generally in grammar these type of questions are asked, that identify noun, pronoun or some changes are made for which you should know these word classes. This help you to analyze sentences and understand them. It also helps you to construct good sentences also. So this is helpful to you from class 1 till class 12 or moreover also wherever you are in need of making any sentences or learning English. So basically parts of speech is divided into 9 basic types, but here we will see 8 basic types are main. Ninth one also I am going to teach you. So first is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection. So let us start with noun. Noun. This part of speech refers to words that are used to name persons, things, animals, places, ideas or events. Nouns are the simplest among 8 parts of speech, which is why they are the first one taught to students in primary school, because everybody knows noun is very easy to identify and we can understand it very easily, and that's why noun is the simplest parts of speech, and it's we start to teaching the students in primary school only. For example, Avantika is versatile. Now Avantika is versatile means Avantika is the name of girl. So noun is what? Noun is the name. It is the name of persons, things, animals, places, ideas or events. Okay. So there are different types of nouns. Let us see one by one each. First is proper noun. Proper noun. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter and refers to specific names of persons, place or thing. For example, if suppose whatever is your name, always you are writing your name with a capital letter because your name is a proper noun. For example, in this example, Avantika is the name of a girl. So A is written in capital because it is proper noun. Okay. So here some examples are given, that Volkswagen, Beetle, then Shakey's Pizza, Game of Thrones. Now these are the proper noun. Okay. Now common noun. Common nouns are the opposite of proper noun. These are just generic names of persons, things or places. For example, students, okay, people, car. Now here car is a common noun, but if you are talking about a particular car, then it is a proper noun. Okay. Then pizza parlor. So many pizza parlors are there, but if you are talking about a particular pizza parlor, then that name become the proper noun. TV series. Okay. So all TV series are common noun, but if you are talking about any particular series, okay, for example Game of Thrones, then it will become a proper noun, but when you are talking about only TV series, it is a common noun. Next, concrete. This kind refers to the noun which you can perceive through your 5 senses. For example, folder, sand, board. That means you can touch it, you can see it, you can understand it, you can feel it. Okay, that is concrete. And opposite to concrete noun, abstract noun is there. So abstract noun is unlike to concrete noun. Abstract nouns are those which you can't perceive through your 5 senses. That means you can't touch it, you can't smell it, you can't feel it, you can't understand, hear it, okay, but you can feel it, okay. Example: happiness, happiness, bravery, or all this courage, all these are the examples of abstract noun which you can feel it, okay. But it is opposite to concrete. Concrete we can touch, we can see, we can hear, we can sometime taste, okay. But abstract nouns are different from concrete. We cannot see it, we cannot listen it, we cannot taste it, we cannot smell it, okay, we cannot sense it, but we can understand it, we can feel it. Next is count. It refers to anything that is countable, okay, and has a singular or plural form. For example, kitten, video, ball. These are the example of count noun which can be countable. Mass noun. Mass, this is the opposite of count noun. Mass nouns are also called non-countable nouns, and they need to have counters to qualify them. For example, kilo, cup, meter, okay. If you want to take sugar, you cannot if you want to prepare any recipe and if you want to take sugar, so sugar may be given in the form of gram or cup. Here you cannot count it. Hair, okay. Milk, so you cannot count milk. Example of mass nouns are rice, flour, gather, all are the examples of mass noun. And last is collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group of persons, animals or things. Example: faculty, that means group of teachers; class, group of students; pride, group of lions. So these are the example of collective noun. So all these are the example of types of nouns. Generally in grammar these type of questions are asked. Identify the noun and write the type of the noun. So in those cases these all nouns, types of nouns will be useful to you. So this is my part 1 of the parts of speech. In my second lecture, that is in part 2, we will learn about another parts of speech. I hope that everybody might have understood about the noun. This part of speech is clear to you, and if you have any difficulty, please write down in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also to click on bell icon. Thank you.